He's getting a swarm off of the side of the building, GFS Food Market.
A little testing.
They're starting to fly around quite a bit. They're a little mad. They've been here since yesterday, so he had to get, excuse me, he had to get his bee veil because they're not happy. He's scraping them off. They're unhappy today. And he's just trying to give them a new home. Put them in the box. He's got a lot of them scraped off.
GFS on Cedar Bluff Road here in Knoxville, Tennessee. Had a swarm of bees. We found them on the news. I think there was actually 2 swarms. Got the main swarm already in the hive. Had to break out the bee vac to suck up the rest of the small swarm. We've about got everything wrapped up here. Break out the old bee vac there. Got this took care of for these folks. They were going to call an exterminator. He did come out this morning, and of course, like I told him, they wouldn't touch it, so he agreed with that. So we took care of them. We had a fun morning. Thanks.